Welcome to the channel. Today we will be installing new wheels and tires on a BMW X5. Currently we have OEM wheels, style 132. They are 19-inch wheels that came with the sports package. We will be installing all-terrain tires, size 265, 60, 18. Overall diameter of the tire is 30.5 inches. The OEM tire diameter is 29.1 inches, so we will be increasing the overall diameter by 1.4 inches. We should not have to add a lift kit. This vehicle should be able to accept a tire diameter up to 31 inches. Let's reveal the wheel. These wheels are LP Adventure style LP6 18 by 8 square setup. The offset is 38 millimeters. It is important to use the lug bolts that came with the new wheel, as they are shorter than the OEM. The new tire is 1.5 inches taller. The width on the new tire is 265 and the front on the OEM is 255. In the rear, the OEM is 285. Everything is moving freely. The other side is on. Let's go ahead and lower the vehicle. Take a look at the difference in the tread design. Rear wheels are on. No restrictions. Let's go ahead and lower the vehicle. Front is a little tight, but there is no rubbing. No issues in the rear. There's a little bit of humming coming from the tires at about 20 miles per hour. Final product looks pretty good. If you'd like to see more BMW E53 content, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.